Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular smartphone gimbals, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C and the Hohem iSteady M6. We'll dive into their features, performance, and user experiences to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro is priced at just $79, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to enhance their video recording capabilities. In contrast, the Hohem iSteady M6 comes with a higher price tag of $209, reflecting its advanced features and superior performance. If you're on a tight budget, the JCROBOT might be the better choice, but if you're willing to invest more for enhanced functionality, the Hohem could be worth it. Next, let's compare the features. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro offers essential functionalities like 3-axis stabilization, AI tracking, and gesture control, making it suitable for casual users. However, the Hohem iSteady M6 takes it a step further, with an OLED display, magnetic fill light, and enhanced AI tracking capabilities, providing a more comprehensive filming experience. For serious content creators, the advanced features of the Hohem may justify the higher price. Finally, let's look at user experiences. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro has received mixed reviews, with users appreciating its value for money but noting some limitations in app functionality and battery life. On the other hand, the Hohem iSteady M6 has garnered positive feedback for its superior stabilization and ease of use, although some users mention a slight learning curve. Overall, the Hohem seems to provide a more polished experience for those willing to invest. In conclusion, both gimbals have their strengths and weaknesses. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro is a great budget option for casual users, while the Hohem iSteady M6 offers advanced features for those looking to elevate their videography. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.